All right, so I'm out here at NASCAR, but I got something very special to tell you because you know Jobber, the CRM software company that I use every day for my HVAC business, is actually sponsoring a NASCAR. Hey, I know that's great marketing, but check this out. Jobber is giving away $250,000 to a home service business. That's going to be HVAC, plumbing, electrical, you name it, lawn care, hey, detailing. You might want to detail NASCARs, whatever you got going on for your home service business. Jobber is going to help you grow. A fast way to get around to the checker flag fast is free grant money. And Jobber is giving away top prize is going to be $100,000. You can spend that to grow your business however you want, whether it be buying new trucks, adding technicians, improving your front end, improving your KPIs, marketing. You can use this money however you want. You do not have to pay it back. And all they want to do for you to get this money is tell your story and how you're going to grow your business. So, hey, good luck and let's go get around that track fast and grow your business fast and get in the fast lane. All right, got the D-Walk. All right. So we're gonna put our hose right there. D-Walk water hose, D-Walk. Our magnet. All right, you see probably. Heavy duty battery in there. Try to find a low point here. Like I say, D-Walk transfer pump. It's a DCE 050. This right here really to cool down those compressors, but I'm gonna take this off so I can really get down in there. But it's perfect when you got a lot of water though. But starting off it was good, but my water getting low, so we're gonna have to do it manually. All right. film in, do this with one hand. So I do the two hand, and my right hand, get my hose out the water. My left hand. Like I said, so I use my left hand to guide it. Right hand, fill it up. Like I said, that's pretty much all the water though. Like I said, you have to get a towel to get the rest of it out of there. All right, now we gotta find out why this thing keeps stopping up, cause it's like the second or third time we've been out here this year. They're damaging their ceiling tile. Let me put that right there. We flushed out the drain line good. Got 2 units tied into a T. And we got cut them last time. Looks like we got a good slope. Stop that right there. And that's the ceiling tile that's damaged right there. It's leaking in that plenum. So I want to open this up right here. Pretty bad to me. Not that bad. Seems like that's going up here a little bit. So I want to open this coil up and see what's going on inside the unit. there. I hope it ain't got no cracked drain pan. But I don't think it has no cracked drain pan because this primary right here, because this secondary. I guess it could be leaking over here. See that drip right there? That's our culprit right there. For some reason, that's our culprit. That's the problem right there. Two things though, we need to knock that tab out, put a secondary drain in here. Let me figure out why is it draining out of there. Wait a minute. As soon as I did that, it started leaking out of here. That's what it's supposed to be doing right there. So that tells me, yeah, look at that. That drain pan just not pitched right. I need to get something to put up under here. That'll solve that problem right there. Either that or get the tighten up on them unit struts over there. Got these same unit struts. We can lift that pan up. I think I'm just gonna put some right here. And now it's draining. So we need to stick something up under here. It just don't have enough pitch. Yep, that's it there, folks. Look at this right here. It drains. As soon as I lift up on there, it's gonna start draining. See that? Then you lift down on it. It don't have a pitch. So I'm gonna try that. And hopefully that'll solve it. We just have to monitor it. Alright folks, I did grass and stuff, man. We're gonna see what's gonna work. Man, cut the tops, the rubber piece, that little PVC right there. One of these gonna be perfect. Yeah. We're gonna try the top first. Oh yeah, that's gonna be it right there. That's what I need right there, folks. Look at that. It's gonna be perfect. All right, put it back together. I'm gonna back him up out of this water though. Alright, I got much as I could up. The rest of it I'm gonna have to drive by itself. Wrap it up. Hope for the best. I gotta get everything buttoned up. That's it there, folks. I just cracked this just to see, but we draining now.